How to find a lost or stolen Android phone. Missing your Android device? Don't worry. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and in this video I'll show you how to locate your lost or stolen Android phone. So without further ado, let's get started. If your device is signed in into your Google account, you can track it using Find My Device. On a computer or another mobile device, you can easily go to google.com/android/find in a web browser, or simply you can install Google Find Device app and you can tap to launch it. Make sure you sign in with the Google account linked to your Android. Now you can easily locate your device. You will have to select your missing device from the list, then a map will show its last known location. You will also see your device battery level and Wi Fi connection if applicable. Now you can easily secure your device. Here you can easily use the menu options for playing a sound, securing a device, and erasing the device. Hopefully, this step will help you recover your Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.